It has been more than 2 years since Porsche unveiled the Mission X, a futuristic all-electric hypercar concept that many believed would succeed the legendary 918 Spyder. Yet since its debut, Porsche has remained silent about its production plans. With rivals like Ferrari and McLaren pushing hybrid hypercars rather than going fully electric, Porsche's next flagship feels uncertain. Into that silence steps Dutch design studio Ugur Sahin Design, offering a bold vision of what Porsche's next halo car could look like. The result is the Porsche 960 GT RS, a digital creation that could very well be the dream successor to the 918. The Mission X was envisioned as an electric-only supercar, aligning with Porsche's electrification strategy. But with the hypercar market leaning heavily toward hybrid powertrains, balancing electrification with raw combustion thrills, an EV-only hypercar might not capture the same appeal today. Ugur Sahin Design recognized this shift and crafted a vision that goes in a different direction, one rooted in both performance and grand touring luxury. The 960 GT-RS isn't just another hypercar. It's a Hyper GT, a machine capable of delivering mind-bending performance while also offering long-distance comfort. This philosophy reimagines what a Porsche halo car could be, not just a track weapon, but a versatile exotic that blends practicality with power. From the front, the design draws inspiration from the 918 Spyder while still breaking new ground. Narrow LED headlights flank a set of massive air intakes, hinting at the car's performance potential. A sharp splitter runs across the lower section, giving the nose a purposeful and aggressive look. The tightly spoked wheels may divide opinion, but the side profile quickly wins back attention with sweeping aerodynamic lines, sculpted side skirts, and dramatic vents tucked behind the arches. The design feels both futuristic and undeniably Porsche. Moving to the rear, the 960 GT-RS delivers even more drama. Its intricate engine cover is dotted with small cutouts, an artistic yet functional detail that adds depth. A deployable spoiler promises both visual impact and aerodynamic stability, while a sleek LED light bar echoes Porsche's modern design language seen in the 911. Completing the package is a massive diffuser and dual tailpipes, details that suggest the designer envisioned this car with a combustion hybrid heart rather than an all-electric one. What makes this digital creation so compelling is how it fills the void Porsche has left in the hypercar segment. The 918 Spyder, introduced in 2013, set new standards with its hybrid powertrain and track-focused performance, but it has been more than a decade since its arrival. With Ferrari introducing the F80 and McLaren the W1, both relying on advanced hybrid systems, Porsche risks being left behind if it doesn't step back into the multi-million-dollar hypercar arena. The 960 GT-RS is, of course, only a concept from an independent design studio, not an official Porsche project. But it reflects the hunger among enthusiasts and designers for a new flagship that embodies the brand's DNA while moving the conversation forward. Whether Porsche sticks with the electric Mission X or pivots to a hybrid approach, one thing is clear. The demand for hypercars has never been stronger, and the market is waiting for Porsche to make its move. If Porsche is listening, perhaps the 960 GT-RS could be the spark that reignites the brand's dominance in the hypercar world.